Hey, I'm Max, and you're watching The Roof Lab by Van Martin Roofing. If you live anywhere in the Midwest, you already know what storm season brings. Wind, hail, roof damage. But unfortunately, it also brings something else, roofing scams. And every single year, homeowners get pressured, misled, or straight up taken advantage of, usually when they're stressed and just trying to protect their home. So today, we're breaking it all down. So let's walk through 4 roofing scams that hit the Midwest every storm season and exactly how to avoid them. The first scam is the storm chaser knock. This is a classic. A contractor shows up out of nowhere, knocks on your door, and says, "Hey, we noticed storm damage on your roof." They'll tell you they were already working in your neighborhood, but here's the truth. Storm chasers, they're not local. They're like a traveling circus. They roll into town right after the storm, collect checks, and then disappear before the dust even settles. So if you have a problem or something leaks a year later, good luck finding them. My rule is, if they don't have a real office, real reviews, and a real presence in your region, don't sign anything. Scam number 2, insurance will pay for a free roof. This one is huge right now. These people tell homeowners, "Oh, don't worry, insurance will cover a full replacement." That sounds amazing, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Insurance companies are denying more roof claims than ever. Public data shows that in 2024, nearly 4 out of 10 homeowner claims were closed with no payment, and some major companies were close to 50%. So if someone is promising you a free roof, that is a massive red flag. And by the way, we did a full breakdown video here on the Roof Lab about insurance claim denial rates that I just talked about. That is linked down in the description. It includes a real scoreboard by each insurance company and what to do before you ever file. If you're even thinking about using insurance for a roof, go watch that one next. It could save you a huge headache. And the third scam, the too good to be true quote. Everyone loves a deal. That's understandable. But roofing is one of those industries where the cheapest quote usually gets cheap somewhere. It's either cheap labor, cheap materials, skip steps, no ventilation, or no flashing detail work. And that's how homeowners end up paying twice. A roof isn't just shingles, it's a whole system. If someone is thousands below every other bid, you should ask yourself, what are they not doing? Because you're not buying a roof, you're buying peace of mind. And the fourth scam, the warranty that isn't real. This one is really sneaky. Contractors love to say, "Oh, don't worry, it has a 30-year manufacturer warranty." But here's the truth. Most manufacturer warranties only cover shingle defects caused by the manufacture process. It doesn't cover leaks, it doesn't cover bad installation, or storm damage. To put it into another perspective, think about like buying a car and it comes with a factory warranty that only covers the paint and not the engine. And here's what homeowners really don't realize. These enhanced warranties for shingle manufacturers often require specific certification levels, so 2 contractors can install the exact same shingle and one actually qualifies you for the better coverage and one doesn't. We also made an entire video on this topic about shingle manufacturer warranties. It breaks down the top shingle companies and what their warranties really cover, and why homeowners get blindsided by the fine print they don't understand. That video is linked down below. So, if you live in the Midwest, storm season doesn't just bring hail, it brings scams. And the best defense is knowing what to watch for. Storm chasers, free roof promises, cheap bids with missing steps, and fake warranty confidence. At the Roof Lab, we believe in being the steady guide that homeowners can trust, especially when things feel uncertain. So thank you so much for watching. We've got new videos coming out every week, so make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. And if you know someone dealing with storm damage or a roofing decision right now, share this video with them. It could genuinely save them thousands.